What's up, guys? How you doing today, man? I'm hanging out in Boca Chica by myself, man. My family went back, so I'm only one out here. I'm in Boca Chica. I went back to the apartment, but I'm gonna check out the nightlife. It's a Monday night. This is the first day they don't have curfew. No more curfew in the DR right now. Well, in Santo Domingo area. All I can speak for is the Santo Domingo. I can't tell you the whole Dominican Republic, but for the Santo Domingo area, because different areas, different times. But in the Santo Domingo area, they don't have curfew right now, but they stopped selling alcohol at 12 o'clock. So let's just check out the nightlife tonight, and I'll let you guys see what's going on.
No, wait.
I don't know, that would help them out a lot, man.
Yeah.
I'm out here with my boy from St. Thomas. You don't mind the camera, do you? You don't mind the camera, do you?
No, you can put it on.
Yeah, I got it on. My boy out here. Hey. This right here is pointing straight ahead.
You can hear what we're saying?
Yeah, I can hear everything we're saying. Oh, it's perfect. These cameras are like, man, this Osmo Pocket is like a, it's called an Osmo Pocket. They got a 2. They need to come out with a 3. This camera is like legit.
Like $500.
Yeah. And you don't even know when you go back home and I look at the footage, you like floored, like what you caught in the camera. My boy right here. What's up?
You know what to do.
Yeah, you know what's going on?
Paradise.
I know.
Paradise, man.
Yeah, my boy. He been in a lot of videos.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Yeah, he been in a lot of videos. No, they know what I do. They know me now. They see me 1,000 times. I had a tug of war with Boca Chica, man, but they know who I am. They know what time it is.
Quiero perder su tiempo que me aconseje. Hoy en salsa, hoy en ronda. Vamos allá. Mariachi.
No.
Hey, how are you? Feeling down?
What's up? What up? I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm gonna pass through. You wanna sit down here? It's up to you. What do you wanna do? Wanna keep it moving? I'm okay. I'll come back. What'd you tell her?
My wife from
No, they don't never got no money. Yeah, it's closed. That's unusual, you know the one right there. That's right, needs to be open. Hold on, man.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
It's closed, man. Yeah, it's big. Damn. I heard everything. That's why everybody's hanging over there, all right. yeah, they ain't got no curfew. All right, they back in action. Where you stay? What hotel did you stay at? Oh yeah, you good, you good.
Yeah, I'm there, man.
Yeah, I know where it's at. And they did it slick. They just told them like no curfew. So I don't even think they were preparing for this. It just happened so fast. Yeah, they said Boca Chica is a little different than it used to be. I've been coming here for like 10, 15 years. What's up, man? Yo. I know everybody in Boca Chica. Got the little pizza place. Just looking. I'm just walking around and see what them things going on. Just looking. Let's look.
Camera.
Yeah. With the eyes on the pocket. Yeah. A camera. I'm just looking. I ain't winning. I'm just trying to get a little bit of footage there, let them see what's going on. I right there. They got pretty good pizza here too. Yeah. Yeah, I just walk around so I can get everything, and then I'll look at the footage and I'll cut it and I'll edit it, and they come out good. That's how we do it.
Okay.
Lucky if somebody talks to me or something like that. If somebody talks to me. Oh man. He said, "Oh, you got a camera." No, they don't like it because a lot of people here, because they ain't doing what they should do. They doing some like crazy stuff here. I'm beefing with a girl here right now because she was on one of my videos and she's like, "Oh, you gotta pay me for that." I'm like, "Yo, I'm not giving you no money for that." And then one time I told her I was gonna give her money, but I ain't never see her. I'm okay, mommy. Yeah. It's a good spot to have a drink, though. It's a good spot to have a drink. Oh, okay. No, we good. You sure about that? Yeah. We good. Oh. Yeah, they might as well nickname this Haitian Beach. They might as well nickname it Haitian Beach. I guess the best spot if you want to hang out will probably be that one right there. That's how I walked around. Got my buddy from St. Thomas here, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. VI, Virgin Islands.
Oye, también
Supposed to open this spot. They don't want to be on camera. No, they be outside. Oh, they not shy, so they cool. They cool. They cool. What's up, man? ¿Cómo estás? Yeah. Hola, ¿cómo estás? They panicking about the camera. Yeah, a lot of them here, you know, they not doing what they supposed to do, so they be shy. Like that's why I like going to Las Americas, because there's a different type of girls there.
They don't mind being.
Yeah, they don't mind me because they ain't doing nothing. They
Okay,
yeah, like I told you, I'm a Haitian artist and everything, so it was like they were cool.
I'd like to see that spot.
Yeah, I'll take you there. Yeah, Boca Chica is like a tug of war, because everybody into like what they should. Yeah, this is hustle town. You know, they probably married, kids, whatever, and they out here doing stupid stuff, and then they get mad.